Once upon a time in ancient Greece, there lived a king named Midas. He had a lovely daughter whom he lovingly named Marigold. Although King Midas had immense wealth in his kingdom's treasury, he was always dissatisfied and unhappy. He was always greedy for more wealth and wished he had more gold in his treasure. One day, as he was counting gold coins and admiring his treasure rooms, a wise Greek god appeared before him who offered the king a wish for some of his good deeds. Without wasting any time, King Midas quickly wished that everything that he touched should turn into gold. The Greek god granted his wish promptly and disappeared. King Midas was delighted about his wish being granted. He went and touched an apple tree in his garden. To his excitement, the tree turned into gold instantly. He was so thrilled that he went on touching random things all around him, which turned into gold immediately. His joy knew no bounds and he was overwhelmed with excitement. Soon he was hungry and he returned to his palace to eat some food. However, though he was starving, he was disappointed that he could not eat anything as whatever he touched turned into gold instantly. Seeing him frustrated and troubled, Marigold came running and threw her arms around her father to comfort him. But to his dismay, even his daughter turned into gold as he touched her. King Midas' face turned pale and his heart sunk with unbearable pain and grief. He was horrified upon seeing his daughter turn into a golden statue. He cried in anguish and regretted his wish for the golden touch. In no time, he realized his greed was his biggest ever flaw and begged the Greek god to take back his wish. Soon the Greek god appeared before him and felt pity for his condition and took back the golden touch wish from him. Further, the wise god instructed King Midas to take a dip in the pond of his palace and sprinkle that water to all those things which he wanted to change back to the previous condition. He blindly followed the instructions and soon his daughter, Marigold, was back to normal when he sprinkled the water on her. Thereafter, he was elated to get back his beloved daughter and promised to stop being greedy henceforth.